Alright, we are swapping out the rear wiper blade on this Ford Taurus X. Notice this has got the good old standard style of arm. That hook thing right there is no big deal. You know, this little black tab right there, you just push that way and you'll, just give it a little firm push of the blade back towards you. She will come off pretty easily. Notice how it's come loose right there. Then tilt it. Notice it's how it's going over the top like that. The arm is like this. Of course, I'm one-handed here. There we go. And then it pops free like so. So the hook of the arm has to go in to the top part right there. Okay. Here's the new one. Hook of the arm should come this way. Slide it and pivot it around. Push it forward. One-handed here. Push forward on the blade away from you. Of course I can't do it one-handed. And you'll hear it click in place. And then it's real easy to put the blade. You have to take this entire arm off to swap out this blade, unfortunately. But it's not a big deal. It's a little nut that holds it on the rear. You may have to, force it off a little bit with a little tapping of a plastic hammer, because it is a little difficult to get the arm off, especially if the car is, several years old. But it's not impossible. Just, keep working with it to try and pry the arm off. And not that big a deal. Alright, check out our future videos here. 2008, 2009 Ford Taurus X.